test drive the 2021 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, skid plates, fog lamps. Inside you'll find smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, power steering, Wi-Fi hotspot, pass-through rear seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.